So I just jumped on Eureka treasure train. I'm gonna go in at the max bet for a penny at $6, excuse me. Oh my gosh. Can't talk today. We need 6 dynamites. Ooh. Or 3 of the little, what is it, the hole? It's like the cave thing. Ooh, there we go. Ooh, we got the gold. Awesome. Double reels. Ooh, there we go. Already got some good dynamites. Come on. Yes. Drop, drop, drop. Come on, come on. Come on, we need some big carts. Ooh, come on, save it. Save it, save it, save it. There we go, yes. $6, $30. 6. Okay. See what our little tiny cart got. 30. All right. Oh, wow. Okay, that's pretty good for such a small little cart. Bigger one. Come on. Little numbers though for such a big cart. $30. 18. That's better. The mini. That's funny. All right, almost $100 on that one. $212. Wow, $212. Gotta do. Oh, got some more dynamites already. Definitely do a few backup spins. See if this machine still has anything to say. Ooh, one more of those, and we would have got the free spins. Ooh, so many gold dynamites. $29 line hit. I think this machine still does want me to stay. Come on, let's see some more gold dynamite. We'll go with the train bonus because we just got the dynamite one. There we go. 92. Ooh, 145, yes. Come on, dynamite. Come on, dynamite. Ooh, almost. Okay, so 159.50. started off with 100. At least getting my spins back. We're doing well. Lots of gold nuggets. We need to see some more dynamite. Kind of wish I would have picked the dynamite one. The feature when you get to pick it. That's probably my bad, but that's okay. Ooh, $10. Ooh, $23 line hit. All right. Too bad those aren't wilds. So I'm down to 300 here. I think I'm gonna cash that ticket out, maybe throw another 100 in or something along those lines. We'll come right back. Just kidding. I guess I only have that and this. So we'll just keep playing on this ticket. Normally I kind of like to stay around that 100 though. Yes. Ooh, $90 right off the bat. Wow, okay. Do the dynamite this time. Come on, dynamite. Ooh, oh.
Eureka!
Eureka! Ooh, so many. Come on. Come on. Come on, you gotta give me another one. There we go. Last one. Come on. Save us. Yes. Ooh. Woo. Let's see it. Ooh, oh my gosh. Ooh, like that. Oh, we're still going. We're still going? The miner. Thank you. Sweet. Okay, so 303.75. We're almost, wow, almost to 600. I mean, it's been giving me back more than my spin almost every time, so it's got something to say. Two of them. Come on, dynamites. Ooh. Okay, $26. Thank you for the little line here. Almost back down to 5. Come on. Teasing me with those dynamites. Alright, well, it seems like this machine has gone a little bit quiet. I think I'll cash out of this one. Either cash out or maybe play on a different denom. So one more spin, just for good measure. Okay. Didn't give me my bet back. We'll cash out of this one.